Cleaner Lagos, Sanwo-Olu inaugurates waste trucks. To keep Lagos clean, the state governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has inaugurated 102 units of compactor trucks and 100 units of double waste bins to the fleet of LAWMA, the Lagos State Waste Management Authority. Sanwo-Olu said the move was part of his administration's plan to boost waste management in the state. The governor, while inaugurating the equipment on Wednesday at the Lagos House, Alausa Ikeja, said the new assets would improve waste evacuation in the state. Today, we are unveiling new equipment that will enable LAWMA to effectively fulfill its mandate. We are confident that the addition of these new assets to our existing ones will bring about visible improvement in waste evacuation and reduce the incidence of black spots that blight our roads and clog our. If you enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe so you can get notifications.